thank you very much. We're glad to be joined by the President of Iraq and his representatives, and I will say that we've had a very good couple of meetings with Iraq. We're doing well with Iraq. It's been a very long and complicated but friendly relationship, especially over the last little while. I was in Iraq a little while ago, as you know, and it's fascinating what's taking place. So we have a lot to talk about. There's things to talk about that we can't talk about in front of you, but we have a lot of good things to talk about. And you're doing a fantastic job. Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Yes.
It's an opportunity, Mr. President, to reaffirm our gratitude to the United States and the international coalition that has come to help us overcome the tyranny of ISIS and terrorism. This was an amazing battle, and Iraqis were in the forefront of this battle, but your support has been absolutely crucial, and we appreciate it. Now the task of rebuilding Iraq, reconstructing Iraq, affirming the sovereignty of Iraq and being a partner in the neighborhood for a more stable Middle East is a hope and an aspiration that we look to the help of the United States and the help of the international community in.
Well, I understand, and it has been a great achievement. We took 100% of the caliphate from ISIS, and ISIS now we have thousands and thousands of people that we've captured. These people have done a lot of destruction, not only in that area, in a lot of other areas. But as you know, we have thousands of people. We'll talk about that also, because we're going to have to do something, put them on trial, et cetera, et cetera. But we've captured thousands of ISIS fighters and taken back 100% of the caliphate. And when I first became president, it was a mess. It was a big mess, and we all worked together and we got it done. But it was a great achievement, so we appreciate that. And we look forward to our discussion. Thank you. Thank you very much.
Mr. President, Prime Minister Pelosi.
Thank you, Mr. President. Good to see you. Iraq has declared that it won't allow its territory to be used as a launching pad against its neighbors. Can you assure us that you can control all the rogue elements, especially with the Hajj?
It's our sovereign responsibility. It's our sovereign responsibility to abide by our constitution. Iraq not to be used as a base for any threat against our neighbors. It is work in progress, and Iraq has been a constructive player in the neighborhood, trying to assure all our neighbors that the stability and sovereignty of Iraq is a common interest. And a lot of things in that regard is happening, and I'll be looking forward to talking to the President about it.
Thank you all very much. Appreciate it.
Thank you.